everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be doing hiding some yarn ends. So you're going to need your garment. This is a teeny tiny dog sweater. It fits up to a 2-pound dog or kitten. It's also good for stuffies or plushies, whatever you call them. So first you're going to start by turning your item inside out, and then you find the yarn you want to hide, yarn end. You'll need, I use a crafting needle because it's a bit sharp at the end. I don't like yarn needles because they're blunt and I find it's harder for them to get through the yarn. So thread your needle, and then you're going to go to the color of work that matches the yarn end you're hiding, and you're just going to put your fingers on the back or the front, and you're going to go through only the back stitches. Okay, and then I put my thumb over top of where I'm pulling the yarn through so I don't distort my stitches. Okay, so my working yarn is coming out there. I'm just going to go a bit behind it and then go past like so. And that is called a back stitch. And that way you don't have to make knots. I'm just going to keep repeating this for the length of my yarn. No knots involved. And again, you're keeping those fingers at the front so that you're not going through. You only want to catch those back stitches. Cut your yarn. And there you have it, my friends. Your yarn ends are hidden. Now you just have to do all the others. Thanks so much for watching. Check that description to find the tutorial for this little pet sweater or toy sweater and all kinds of other goodies I put in there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.